Silo auntie has visited my place.
It's a really a nice house. You got a really lovely house.
Thank you, and she's my sister.
She's sister, right?
Yeah.
Hi.
Phone halke koi rahi ho you? She's my busiest mom. So this is Silo auntie and my mom. They are best friends in college.
Hi.
And they both look pretty. So she's my mom and she's auntie. And he's my brother, phone brother. His name is Nico. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.
Okay, me puba ta changin tu na hian in Hyderabad a kom le mega zain a hian in ka hlim na mm2 ka thian nu. Yes, Anita Chowdhury, the one and only Miss Chowdhury is here in Hyderabad. She has two lovely kids. Say hello to the camera.
Hi.
Say your name, please.
My name is Gunjan. My name is Mukund.
Yes, we're so excited and we're gonna have a
Pastry.
pastry time. Now it's a rapid fire round. Mommy or daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy. What about you?
Mommy.
Mommy, can you give me one reason why you choose daddy?
Because he don't scold me and he's so lovely.
Yeah, your dad is superb, right?
Yeah.
What about your mom?
Because mom loves me.
And mom scolds you too, right?
Yeah.
So, enjoy your pastries, okay?
Yes.
Tun ka zin na sakop maya. Chuan ka thian nu hi kumsom panga kai hutolo fate lo nei vek to a ani na hian ka kala he an hospitality lo cha emema hotel a thian ka tum kha aphal lo a hotel a I thian chuan Mizoram ka ron kal huna inya ka ron kheng lo anga tia chuwang chuan zai na hian an ina ka riak dona chan he dinner turin an chung bai min shrai chok dona kan chanu half siren tel don bogani Katranu Anita here in a dream house alone. So happy to see them like this.
Hi.
It's been how many years, Anu?
You know I've done family.
Us like not seeing each other.
11.
17 years.
17 years.
16, might be 16 to 17 years.
Yeah, 16 to 17 years. And Kushiku, when she was young, we used to play with her.
Baby boss.
Maybe like 1 year.
1 year, okay. And now she's already
16 years.
16 years. We're old! Hey, anin ka niya. Min lo hu ve a alom me mani. Anu pa in kapak anlo ne ve to kalom pui he ani he. Chowdhury plywood and hardware. And my Chowdhury in ya Rajasthan in ya. Tian kum ne to ani China. Last 11 letters from their line.
Oh, वो है तो कल्लू गाड़ी.
Hafsa and her two kids are here. Hello. Okay, Lalong Jolie Silo welcome to Hyderabad after a long time. Yeah. Lara, say hi. Okay. Gunu, say hi. Hello. Say hello, Beta.
कितने साल की है?
She? 5 years.
मेरे को देखो तुझे तेरी बेटी कितने साल की हो गई?
I was bringing some gift for her. So excited to see you.
सही बात
Thank you, Beta. Oh wait. Okay, eat it.
Eat it.
Good boy. ก็เข่งตัวให้กูว่าอะไรมีรอนช่วยอ่ะวันนี้อ่ะตุนจุ่มกับสินจูมิโซรัมไงนี่อันน่ะเป็นมันนี่มาราจูกับสินหุ่นซัมเมอร์ไล่แล้วนี่สบุกเสียพานัวแต่อินเนี่ยก็สุบังจูอันนัวแม่นายอัศนี่สัตวังชมก็ทีเดียวว่าเสพานัวอันนี้วังจีนเองไม่ชิวนักกันเนี่ยแล้วว่าฉันจูพานัวครับกันมาโมไล่เบรินกันกูอัพยังในเรื่องการเชื่อมิโซรามานี่พวกกันสุ่มโดนนะมั่วกัน business สามเรื่องคุยชินวังอินกันเหล่าเท่เหล่ากันเนี่ยโลกาเคลียร์ experience ชัดตักกันเนี่ยว่าจวนนินhalf say le ani thai de ka ha buga class 11 le 12 fa the besties te ania kaning ko mai the me ma allo hlo thing to me ma ni po nge inu thatha kan lo ni ve buga an chung ko po am din ma lo thai me ma an ma ni tang in thil zir tam tak ka su nei buga and life as simple me ma an ngom ka ti khop mai tun chung ka jin chu ma ro chu Mizoram lu che chan Mizoram ngai om zia hi an shakthar le ni